friends! Today we have a fun craft for you to complete with the help of your teacher or caregiver. We're making a popsicle stick superhero. To complete this craft, you will need jumbo popsicle sticks. You'll need 3 for each superhero you make, 3 or more colors of cardstock or scrapbooking paper, small googly eyes. You'll need 2 for each superhero you make, scissors, liquid glue, a black marker, a pencil, and puffy paint or glitter glue. Here's what you'll do. First, glue 3 popsicle sticks together in the shape of a triangle. Let it dry. While that dries, cut a triangle from cardstock or scrapbook paper that will fit inside the craft stick shape. This will be the body of the superhero. Next, use a pencil to trace your hand on another sheet of paper and then cut it out. This will be the cape for your superhero. Draw and cut out a head, arms, legs, and any other things your superhero might need, like a mask, special shoes, or a hat. Place all your paper pieces on your popsicle stick superhero where they belong and glue them down. Finally, add googly eyes and a face using your marker. And be sure to write your superhero's initial in the middle of the triangle body. Ta-da! Here's the finished popsicle stick superhero. I hope you enjoy this craft. I can't wait to see what you create. Bye!